The Naseto GPS Drone ND-01 offers a high-quality aerial experience with its 4K ultra-high-definition camera and real-time 5G FPV streaming, ensuring you capture stunning visuals effortlessly. Equipped with dual modular batteries, this drone provides an impressive total flight time of up to 60 minutes, allowing for extended exploration and enjoyment. The inclusion of a dedicated 4.5-inch LCD remote control screen enhances convenience by enabling real-time viewing without relying on a smartphone. Safety is prioritized with the drone's accurate GPS system, which supports automatic return features to prevent loss during low battery or signal issues. Designed with user-friendly flight modes, the Naseto GPS Drone ND-01 is suitable for pilots of all skill levels, making it an ideal gift for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts. The robust brushless motors deliver efficient power and a longer lifespan, contributing to a smooth and reliable flight experience.